Ever wished you could swap out just one element in your Midjourney creations without re-rolling the entire masterpiece? Well, today, we're diving deep into Midjourney's power to selectively replace anything. This isn't about starting over. It's about refining your vision with surgical precision. Let's begin by generating an image with the element you want to modify. For example, imagine we have this serene stone statue wearing a simple flower crown. Now, identify the exact element you wish to replace. Think of it like selecting an area in a traditional photo editor. We're not changing the whole statue, just this particular flower crown. Here's the magic: we'll refine our original prompt. Instead of just describing the statue, we'll add a new phrase that directly addresses the element we want to swap out. For instance, we might add a description for a more elaborate headdress, specifying its material and style. By carefully crafting your prompt to include specific details for the replacement, you guide Midjourney to understand your intent. This iterative approach allows you to test different ideas and textures for your substituted element. See how that golden headdress perfectly replaces the original flower crown. This technique gives you granular control, letting you swap out anything from a misplaced object to an entire background detail, all while preserving the essence of your original creation. Mastering this selective replacement means unlocking a new level of control and creative expression in your AI art journey. Experiment, refine, and bring your evolving visions to life.